Hi all, I just wanted to talk a little bit about the Raspberry Pi Model A case that's on the blog. Free to download and print yourself if you like. Feel free to download it, modify it, whatever you like. It's there for everyone to use. It's for the brand new Model A Plus, which I got quite quickly after it was launched there a few days ago. So just to talk about the case itself. It's got a groove here for the GPIO pins that stick out of the bottom slightly, just to make it fit snugly. It's got little 4 little platforms here on the case for the screw holes to fit, the mounting holes to fit nice and snug. So you put it into the case, put the Raspberry Pi into the case just by putting the composite audio into the hole there and just dropping it down, and it fits nice and snug. And once it's in, take your SD card and insert it in the side, and a little finger press and it's nice and flush. You can get it out again with a finger press, so that's nice and handy that the micro SD is nice and flush. So the cover then, laser cut, local Fab Lab, that I attach on the top with 16mm M3 bolts. The case itself, when it comes off the printer, it doesn't have holes, so I take an M2 or an M2.5 2.5mm drill bit and drill down through the Raspberry Pi's mounting holes to create 2.5mm holes, and then so that I can screw the bolts into them, I take a tap, which should be available in your local hardware store, which is for creating threads. So to create a thread in the plastic, we just have to twist this in through the holes. So I use a slow drill for that. So just to create the tap, so this will actually cut the thread. So as it goes in, you follow it with the drill. So it's as simple as that. So I'll just quickly run through the other, sorry, wrong way. And fine, 30 seconds. So now we can take an M3 bolt and just nicely screw it in like that, and that'll go all the way in. And it's so that when we tighten the case down from the top, that we can go through, and the case is designed so it's 16mm thick, so that when we have this flush here, we'll have the bolt flush against the bottom, so there'll be nothing sticking out the bottom. So if I just want to do that now, put in the Raspberry Pi, put in the SD card, and push, now there we go. And put the case on, so you can put the case on whichever way you like. I like it this way, so that when the cables are coming out this way, that the Raspberry Pi is facing forward. So again, just a case of putting the bolts in and lining up. So that's 2 of them. There's a problem with this kit, the cover at the moment, in that the bolts are ever so slightly out of alignment, so I got to fix that in the next version. So once I have the screws in, or the bolts in, I can just tighten them up so that they're flush with the bottom. See there, now they're just coming through. And 2, 3, and 4. So that's the case. Nicely tapped, so there you go. Thanks very much.